Okay, so for the next chord in our guitar mini course, we will be learning the G chord. So let's do a close-up and let's learn this guitar chord really fast. So here's the guitar chord up close, the G chord, and also look at the diagram. We will show you where to place your fingers. So how to play this chord, what you're going to do is you're going to first take your first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. You want to get your second finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Now you have two options here. You can either do 2 fingers down here, or you can do 1 finger. I like to do 2 fingers. So you take your 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your 4th finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Let me show you again. 1st finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and 4th finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. And then it's going to sound like this. Okay, that's your chord there. So now try to, and remember to have your fingers pointy. We don't want to have them flat, we want to have them pointy, and you don't want to touch the strings next to it. So this finger here, for example, don't want to touch this string. So make sure carefully it doesn't touch that string. And then what you do is you try to play each string one at a time. So I'm touching a little bit there, so let me adjust that. Okay, it's all clear and clean. Okay, so try to adjust your fingers. It's okay if you don't get it right away, but just try your best. Over time and with practice, it will get better. So there's your G chord. Now, remember, as I showed you in the previous videos, we want to do the strum and tap exercise. So you strum, tap, go back, strum again, go back, strum again. So you want to do this 50 times every day until you get good at this chord. So it doesn't matter how long it takes, but if you do it this way, you're going to be able to do it as quick as possible. Okay? So we are not, normally when we try to practice chords, we tend to practice our strumming, but you wanna practice the action of take your hand off and putting it back on. That's where you develop your muscle memory. So do that 50 times every day, and also try to mix up the way you put your fingers on the guitar. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do 4, 3, 2, and 1 like that. Opposite direction as well. Because eventually it will go all at the same time, like that. That's when you've developed your muscle memory. But until then, try to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? And then do the strum and tap. Okay, so practice that every day. Strum and tap 50 times. And you'll be able to learn that guitar chord really fast. Now also remember to watch my other videos with the other chords as well. So go back, learn those as well. And then start also to practice the chord changes between the chords. G to C. G to D. G to E minor. Okay, so thanks for watching, and keep practicing that. I'll see you in the next video.